G'day. With freestanding baths being very much on trend, Argent Australia offers a range of stunning freestanding baths to satisfy any bathroom ambition. Argent's range of freestanding baths made from reinforced sanitation grade lucite in a white gloss finish. Starting with the Grace, it's a more organic shape with a high backrest. Great for having a long soak, washing away the day's worries. In the more classic styles, we've got the Cubic in a square shape and the Nova in a rounded shape. Onto the Vista back to wall baths. Perfect where you want that freestanding look but need to save the space. The back to wall style also offers easier cleaning as the enclosed back of the bath is butted against the wall, so there's no need for cleaning behind the bath itself. All the Argent freestanding baths are available with or without overflow. The baths are constructed upon a solid stainless steel support frame with a baseboard reinforcing. In addition to strength, it provides a superior stability, so there's no sideways movement or flexing. A perfect tapware combination for your freestanding bath is the versatile Argent Freestanding Bath Filler. Not only can it be used to fill your bath, the shower attachment allows the option of washing your hair or cleaning down the bath afterwards. Argent Freestanding Bath Fillers use sequential flow technology, which allows the more precise temperature control, resulting in safer and easier way to enjoy your bath. Freestanding Baths and Bath Fillers by Argent Australia.